Creating a Mailjet account is a simple process that enables you to start email marketing and transactional email services quickly. Follow these steps. Visit the Mailjet website, navigate to Mailjet's homepage, sign up, click on the Sign Up Free button. You will be directed to the registration page. Enter your information. Provide your first name, last name, and a valid email address. Create a strong password. Ensure it meets the security requirements. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy by checking the appropriate box. Verify your email. After submitting your information, Mailjet will send a confirmation email to the address you provided. Open your inbox, find the email, and click on the verification link. Complete account setup. Once verified, log into your Mailjet account. Fill out additional details like your company name, purpose, and estimated email volume. Optionally, integrate your domain for enhanced email deliverability. Choose a plan. Start with the free plan or select a paid plan based on your needs.